I'm Vidya from PI Exchange, and I'm here to walk you through how to manage users' access within your project. There are two ways you can get to your project. You can either get to it from the home page and click on the project you would like, or you can go to the project's drop-down menu and choose your project. For this example, I'm going to be using the test project. When you're on this page, click on the users icon. Here, you will get a list of all the users who are part of this project. To add a user to a project, simply click on this button, Add User to Project, that's on the right side. Here, I would like to add AI for everyone at pi.exchange with the role of editor. If I would like to add other users, I'll simply click on Add User, and I can add other users. I'm only going to add one user to this project today, so I'll remove this. Click on Add. There you go. Your user has been added. Next, what if you want to change the user's role in your project? That's easy. Simply click on the edit icon here on the user that you wish to change and change their role from editor to either viewer or owner. Let's say I would like to change AI for everyone at pi.exchange to be a viewer. I'll click on viewer, click on edit, and you're done. Finally, what if you want to remove a user from your project? Also very simple. Simply click on the delete icon here. A pop-up shows up asking you to confirm that move. Click on delete, and that's it. Your user has been deleted. And that's how you can manage your users' access within your project.